Hello family, welcome back to my channel. It's yet another beautiful day. We thank God for the gift of life. Yeah, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly be part of this family. So today we are going to do a Shein wig review, and we are also going to install it. So we are going to start with this first wig. This is how it looks like. It's a short synthetic wig with bangs, and it comes with wig caps. There are two of them. And this is how the wig looks like. Yeah, so it has this breathable wig cap. Yeah, it's nice and soft. And that's a cover up. And then we have clips to make sure your wig stays in place. And then we also have some adjustable straps, these ones, just to make sure your wig is okay and intact. So yeah. So let's install this wig and see how it looks on someone. So it's 10 inches. The wig is 10 inches and it's straight with bangs. Yeah, and it feels so soft. Wow. And there's this hairline just to guide you. Yeah, so we're gonna check the first look. I'll just pull down my hair. I'll put it to the back like so. And then I'll take one of the wigs, put it on my head like so. And this is the wig. It's the short, straight synthetic wig. It's 10 inches with bangs. So we're just gonna fix it and see how it goes. So like that. Adjust the straps at the back and then pull the wig at the front. Personally, I don't like the bangs hanging in front like that. So I'll put my bangs sideways like so. Yeah, make sure the wig is adjusted. And ta-da! I think it looks so beautiful. It's good. You can rock it on a budget. This wig goes for around $15. Yeah. So for $15, you are looking good, you're looking amazing, you're looking presentable. Yeah. So I like it. What do you think on a scale of 1 to 10? How would you rate this wig? So this is the wig number 2. Yeah. We're gonna take it out of the package and see what we have. So this is what we have from the package. This is a long, straight synthetic wig hat as well. So the other one was a synthetic wig with bangs. This one is a synthetic wig with hat, with the heart. Yeah. So this is how it looks on the inside. We have the hat, and then we have the wigs attached, just like a straight line attached at the bottom of the hat. Yeah, and it looks so strong, like something that wouldn't fall off. And then you can now turn your hat that way. comb your wig. This one kinda looks like it will tangle too much with time. Yeah. But I like the hat. Oh, so the hat falls right in place. Like, it feels so nice. It feels soft, but I kinda feel like this one tangled so much, so it might give someone a hard time to comb it. But overall, what do you think? Still looks nice. You can rock it anywhere. That summer holiday, that winter, if you don't want to leave your hair out. Yeah, it looks good. It looks nice and amazing on a budget too. What do you think of wig number 2 on a scale of 1 to 10? I love it. The only side that I don't like about it is that and that's the length, it's 12 inches. So the only downside I think is that it will tangle so a lot and give someone a hard time to comb it. But overall, mama, see, I think it looks nice. Yeah. So that's all about it for today's video. If you've come this far and you've not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in the next one. Mwah, mwah.